Welcome, welcome. Step right in, my clever little detectives. Tonight, you are not just guests. You are contestants in the most delicious challenge of your lives. You'll need sharp minds, quick hands, and some of that teamwork to get out of here in time. Don't worry, it's all part of the fun. Every lock has a key, every puzzle a solution. If you're willing to get your hands a little messy, I'll be with you every step of the way, guiding, cheering, and maybe judging. Just a little. So, aprons on. Time is ticking. Let's see if you can handle the heat. Oh ho! Bravo! Bravo! Remarkably quick, I must say. My brilliant little chefs. You cracked it open like an egg on a Sunday morning. See? I told you this would be fun. Easy, even. Almost too easy, don't you think? Well, no matter. It was only the beginning, after all. There's much more to see, and to test. Ah, splendid teamwork. I do admire the way you two stick together, though I dare say, good things never last forever. Ah, would you look at that? Seems someone's gone walkabout. Quite the disappearing act, eh? Fancy that? A solo adventure, it seems. Do try not to get lost, won't you? Looks like one can get along perfectly well without company after all. Fascinating, and a tad lonely, wouldn't you agree? Turn back time. Yes, a charming thought, isn't it? Especially for someone with such a past. Do you feel it? That creeping emptiness of being alone. The quiet pressing in. The memories you'd rather forget. Only I am here with you. Watching. Always. Every heartbeat. Every shiver. I see it all. Do you like that? The way the darkness feels. Alive. With me. Ah, there it is. A body in a box. I knew you'd savor this moment. Don't pretend you're shocked. Something tells me you've been waiting to see what rots beneath the surface. Go on then. Take a good... Oh, now this is gratifying. A little puzzle just for you. Flesh and bone, waiting to be rearranged. Like a child's toy, isn't it? Only softer. Don't be shy. Fit the pieces together. Make it beautiful. Round and round the pieces go. Fingers here and a jaw just so. Stitch them tight. Don't make a mess. Build a body, more or less. Now can't you see? It's not horror. It's artistry. Twist the flesh, align the bone. Make it smile, and call it home. You're clever, aren't you? Too clever to be frightened. That little grin of yours, it was never fake. Don't even think to hide it. I saw it. The things you're capable of. You're no stranger to dark deeds, are you? It seems the game isn't finished yet. You have one puzzle to solve. One last time. I know you. Oh yes. I know exactly what you'll do. Look at him. So helpless. So trusting. And yet, I can see it in your eyes. The choice. It's already made. You will act. You must. Do you feel it? The weight of it? The inevitability? Delicious, isn't it? I've been waiting for this moment, for you to realize there is no other way. Now, come along, don't falter. Don't fucking pretend. I know you. You know you will do it. Go ahead, shoot. Come on, shoot. Just shoot. I'm telling you to shoot. You did it. You really did it. It's done. I'm proud of you. You finally stopped pretending. No more masks. No more mercy. Just the truth of what you are. The game. It was never mine. It was yours. And now, the door is open. Go on. Take your prize. Claim your freedom. Welcome. Step right in, my clever little detectives. Tonight, you are not just guests. You are contestants in the most delicious challenge of your lives.